So, a very good morning to all dear participants. This is Mr. Rahul Patil, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Zoology, Balwant College, Vita. Dear participants, it's give me an immense pleasure to welcome you all on this online interdisciplinary 1 week certificate course on apiculture. So, on the behalf of Department of Zoology, I welcome you all on this apiculture course. Dear friends, I'm very much thankful to all dear participants for their enthusiastic support and overwhelming response. I am very happy to announce that till date more than 3000 participants have registered from all over India to this course. So on the behalf of Department of Zoology, once again I thanks to all dear participants. Dear friends, I am very much thankful to our Honorable Principal Dr. C.J. Khilare Sahib for his constant support and encouragement. I am also very much thankful to Dr. U.S. Shah ma'am, ex-Head Department of Zoology, Dr. V.Y. Deshpande sir, BOS Chairman, Shivaji University, Kolhapur, Dr. Salunke sir, Principal Dr. Chavan ma'am, my colleague Dr. Gugle sir, and all colleagues of Zoology, Shivaji University, Kolhapur for their valuable guidance and support. Dear friends, once a great scientist said that if the bees disappear from the earth, man would only have 4 years left to live. So friends, honeybees plays very important role in the ecosystems. Dear friends, honeybees are actually best friend of human as well as the all living things present on the earth. They gives us honey, bee wax, bee breed, propolis and royal jelly. You know that the all product has a great value in Ayurveda as well as in the medicine. Dear friends, as per the latest data from the Bee Board under the Department of Agriculture, the country total honey production is reported in 2017-18 was near about 1 lakh metric ton. The number of beekeepers, beekeeping companies and honey societies has also increased, and as of January 2019, the country had near about 9,000 registered people in the apiary business. But as per the population of India is concerned, the production of honeybee is very less. So dear friends, many of students has golden opportunity to build your own business in this apiculture field. So as per the latest government estimate, the large scale employment in the beekeeping sector is estimated to generate near about 3 lakh man working days by maintaining 10,000 beekeepings. Even with 100 bee colonies, the annual income can range between 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. So considering this fact, we are organized this online interdisciplinary 1 week certificate course on apiculture. So once again I welcome you all on this online course. Now it's time to introduce our renowned resource persons. So dear friends, our very first resource person is respected Dr. S.S. Patil sir. He is professor and ex-head Department of Zoology, Krishna Mahavidyalaya, Retre, Budruk, Maharashtra. His educational qualification is MSc and PhD. He has more than 35 years of teaching experience and 25 years of research experience. He has recognized PhD guide of Shivaji University, Kolhapur. He had visited various countries like South Korea, Nepal, Mauritius for his research presentation. He has published more than 80 research papers in reputed international and national journals. He has organized more than 70 conferences, workshops and different training programs. He has author of 10 books. He has honored with more than 10 national and international awards. He is always working in nature. He is well-known snake rescuer. Dear friends, I am very happy to say that he has rescued near about 500 snakes from the Maharashtra. From last 20 years, he is working in the field of applied zoology, especially on apiculture, sericulture and vermitechnology, and organize many training workshops for farmers as well as the students. Dear friends, our next resource person is respected Dr. P.S. Salunke sir. He is professor and ex-head Department of Zoology, Balwant College, Vita. His educational qualifications are MSc, MPhil and PhD. He has more than 35 years of teaching experience and 25 years of research experience. He has recognized PhD guide of Shivaji University Kolhapur and Ahilyabai Holkar Solapur University Solapur. A total 3 students have completed their PhD and 3 are doing PhD under his able guidance. He is working on various academic bodies like chairman of BOS, RRC, DRC of Solapur University. He has published more than 50 research papers in reputed international as well as national journals. He has organized more than 50 conferences, workshops and training programs. He has author of 5 books. He has honored with more than 5 state and national awards. Presently, he is working in the field of avifauna, herpetology and odontology. Dear friends, then our next resource person is Mr. M.R. Petkar sir. Presently, he is working as assistant professor and head department of zoology, Baburao Patil Arts and Science College, Angar, Solapur, Maharashtra. His educational qualifications are MSc, NET, SET and GATE. He has more than 6 years of teaching experience. He has doing his PhD at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University, Aurangabad. He has published 8 research papers in reputed international as well as national journals. Then our next resource person is Mr. G.B. Pawar sir. Presently, he is working as assistant professor at the Department of Botany, Art, Commerce and Science College, Mokhada, Palghar. His educational qualifications are MSc, SET and GATE. He is doing PhD in Shivaji University, Kolhapur. He has more than 10 years of teaching experience. He has published 3 research papers in reputed international and national journals. Dear friends, our next resource person is Dr. M.M. Gadale sir. From last 5 years, he is working in the field of apiculture. He is owner of Makrand Honey Company, Retre Budruk. He has conducted more than 5 training workshops at various states of India for the farmers and the students. So dear friends, with this brief introduction of resource person, once again I welcome you all and wishing you a very best luck for online interdisciplinary 1 week certificate course on apiculture. Thank you very much.